So here we have the K18 leave-in hair mask. I absolutely love this thing. I recently got it, so I've only been using it about a month, but it's a great way to replace your hair conditioner. So you just shampoo your hair in the shower, and then when you get out, you don't need to condition it, which is great. This is just like a leave-in mask. So I just apply like a little piece size amount, and I kind of just, you gotta like rub it in your hands until it kind of emulsifies and gets like a little foamy. See how it's like thickened up and gotten some color. So you just do that, and then you just kind of push it through your wet hair or towel dry hair, I guess. My hair is just a little damp, so you kind of got to wait till it dampens. And you just put it on your ends, and then you just brush it through, and you're done. I've just noticed my hair has gotten so much stronger and thicker since I started using it. It just breaks a lot less, so it's just overall a really good product. And yeah, I'm excited to see what happens in the next 6 months if I can get my hair even longer. So if you're thinking in the market to try it, I highly suggest just the K18 biometric hair mask.